Hi everyone. Okay, this is Mr. Fong again. Today is our lesson 7. We are going to develop gingerbread. Okay, gingerbread is a topic today. Before we start, let's look at our blackboard. Okay, in today's lesson, um, I'll give you some idea. You can refer to the designs here. This is just an idea. You can just have a look, follow, copy, and improve. You have the choice of creating a gingerbread boy. We have a ginger beer girl, and we have beer. This bear and snowman. Yes, snowman. Uh, so you will be given this in your Tinkercad, and let's look at how we're going to start with this. I've created a simple, incomplete version. The idea is to show you how I create these the eye, the mouth, the eyebrow, then these all these small decorations. And for those who want to try with a border like a bear, you can try with this also. But I think our main intention is to start with you can choose either gingerbread man, this I call it gingerbread boy and gingerbread girl. uh, Choose one of these. If you have extra time, then you can try to play with the one with a border. You have to align the border properly, uh, which is something you have learned before, but you need to have some to practice the skill of alignment. Okay, so let's come back to here. As usual, before you start, then you just put your name. So if I'll just put okay, just type your name here, so that when you export, we know that you have your name in your file, okay, which will be easy. And when we are creating this pre-stick note, we have color printer. So in order to speed up the printing process, I will not create color by objects. I'll create color by layers. That means um, the gingerbread is 2 mm. Okay, remember gingerbread, the border, this one, background. Let me create a copy first by pressing Ctrl D on my Windows. Those who are using Mac, you use Command D, duplicate. So the thickness of this one, please adjust it to 2 mm. It's easier for you to make adjustment. So it will be one color here. Then the rest of this, the second layer is white color. So if you put anything that is in 3 mm, I'll bring it out in white color. So anything that is either lower or higher, I can put another color for you. Okay, so this is the coloring part. Okay, now the question is how do I draw all these things? Okay, we will use a lot of this one, scribble. Okay, we use scribble, and then we can mix up with some of the object like tube. You can see the eyes. I use tube. Then this one is a half sphere for the button, and I also use torus for the outer part of this uh, button. Okay, so we have to combine this one is a roof, two roof plus box to create the ribbon. And before I forget, you can see there's a problem in this at the top of this model, this sample object. So what I need you to do is you have to add a cylinder, okay, 2 mm height, just to cover this area to make sure it's perfect. Okay, so if we want to start, we can start with this one just to cover it first before I forget. Okay, so as usual, push this one to the end, the side 64, so that it is round. Okay. You can reduce this to smaller size. Doesn't have to be big, but the important is the height. The height must be 2 mm. Okay, just check 2 mm. Then you bring it up to here. Okay, done. Okay, you can even, if you want, okay, please remember to adjust net grid to 0.1 mm. After that, you can use minor adjustment using your keyboard. Then select, merge. Okay, so that we fix that part. Okay, now we look at how am I going to design this part on the for the hand. Okay, let's look at this design here. I follow the design. You can have two objects up to you, or single is your design. Okay, let's come back to here. So use scribble. Okay, something like this. Done. Once it's done, you adjust the height to 2 mm. Okay, then you zoom out. Try to place it here on the hand. Okay, focus. Press F to focus. Then you can adjust this a little bit. Okay. Let me check. Is it three? Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be 3 mm. Yep. So this is a little bit higher. Okay. Now, how am I going to create the other side? Okay. So if you just command Control D and bring over, you know that it is opposite. So the easy way is to create using this mirror. Now with the object selected, create mirror, and then click the bottom one. And then click this one. Okay. Now you can easily adjust it to here. Okay. To the place you think is suitable. This is same for the leg. Okay, command D. Okay, you can choose the turn. After that, command D again. Okay, I click here and press command D so that it duplicate, and I can use the mirror to adjust. Now this is mirror. Okay, so the first part is done. I also mentioned that you need to have before I show all this, before I forget, don't forget your name, because this is important. Maybe I put something like this. Height is 3. Adjust the size, and then put this on the somewhere here. Okay, small, and then don't forget to turn a little bit, so this will represent is your work, is your design, have some meaning. How about on the left hand side? For the left hand side, Control D again, you move it here, then use mirror. Okay, oops. Okay, this one cannot, not so good. So what you do is, if you want to remain the same angle is fine. If you want to turn, you just turn 45 degree. And then sometimes you may think, this one I want to put a number. My lucky number. Maybe you like 10. 10 is your number, because if you like football, maybe you understand football is the best player in the team. Number 10 is the best player, usually hold by the captain. I think it's like that. Not sure whether the rule changed or not. Okay, come back to the other parts. Let's create the face. The face. Okay, again, scribble. Then you create the eye. Should I create the eyebrow first? Okay, done. So actually, it's no much issue, because you can create now, you can create later. Number 3. The only problem is you may find it difficult to create an eyebrow without an eye. So I will recommend, okay, in this case, why not we create the eye first? Okay, the eye. I think I have tested the eye. You should adjust it to 6 for both. Easier for you. Because I think, because many of you are in primary 3. Mm. So I give you some guide in here. So you put this here. Let's see. This is the eye, and then remember, you don't have to create the second eye. Control T again. Use the arrow on your keyboard. You create the second eye. Okay. Now we have to handle the eyebrow. So prepare the eyebrow. If it's too big, just adjust a little bit. Okay, you can adjust, because the eyebrow you draw is just a guide you do, because now you see, you can adjust eyebrow. You can adjust eyebrow. Control D again on the eyebrow, so I can have a duplicate copy and Once I reach here, I use mirror. Okay, click this one mirror. Once I use a mirror, you can see you can draw one eyebrow. Okay, depends on how you like. You can draw like mine, the first sample, or you can draw in any way you like. Okay, after this, it will be the mouth. Okay, just make sure it is smiling. Use your mouse tool. Click done, and then now adjust height to number to 3 mm. Okay, okay. You if you lost the view, come back to here. Click F focus, and now you move the mouse. Uh, adjust. Okay, adjust until okay. If you think it's too much or not good, you can erase it and redo. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so this is let's see. Press focus. Okay. I think the mouth is big. Good. Good. If you want to make it smaller, you can just adjust it from here to make the mouth small. Okay. Smiling. And next will be the button. How to do the button? I think you can use this one. First is to make it small, about 6 or even smaller. You can then move this one to the center, and after move to the center, you bring it up a little bit. Okay, to add a tall shape, you can do like this. You can adjust this to 10, so that it will be thinner, and hold down the shift key and make your object higher like this. Okay, so remember is the this object have to be higher. I recommend the object to be tall, so that I can paint it in a different color for you when I print it out. Okay, this is one of it. You can select both objects, select the center one, hold down the shift key, select the outer one, then control D so that both will be duplicated, and use the down arrow key to make the second button. Okay. Um, if you want to select all four objects and move together, go ahead like what I'm doing now. And then the next part we'll do is the ribbon. Okay, ribbon, very simple. Bring the box and then bring to about 5. Okay, to try to 4 5, and then move down. This one layer height again 3, and then you make it small. Okay, like this, a small shape. After that, you bring down the roof. Okay, push it up. This is a little bit difficult, uh, which is you need to see which angle is it. Okay, see carefully. Here you can move 90 degree. 90 degree. Then you can move a little bit to here. Am I correct? Or I should use this side. Okay, height change to 3, and then you adjust a little bit. Am I using correct height? Oh, I think one of it is wrong. It's not on the floor. Press D donkey, so it drop to the floor. Okay, after you drop to the floor, push it in, and then press Control D, duplicate the object. Okay, one mistake. Control Z. After you duplicate, you use the arrow to move it to the right hand side. Use the mirror, then you mirror it. Okay, mirror it. Adjust a little bit. See, you can adjust the ribbon. Uh, Once you think it is okay, you can choose to merge it. So it is a fixed ribbon, easy for you to move around. Okay, you can put it here, then you can adjust the size, then you put it somewhere in the middle. Okay, okay, this is how you do the how you design your gingerbread boy. For the girl, you just refer back to the blackboard here, and you can see the way we design the skirt. There is a skirt for the girl. Okay, ribbon is on the top. a little bit different. So for the boy, ribbon in the center. For the girl, ribbon at the top. Okay, this is done. So I moved it to a side. Now I show you how you do the bear. Okay, let's say you want to do the bear. Okay, and now I bring it down, Control D, I make a copy, and then the border I also make a copy of it, Control D. Okay, when I put it together, there are two way of doing. Either you increase the height of this or you bring this up. Which is better for you? You decide. Select both alignment. Go to the center. Okay, so if you think that this is not perfect, click on the border. Use your arrow key to do a minor adjustment on it. Then you need to make sure that it is lying like this. Okay, into the uh, object, into the background. Okay, you can leave it like this or you want to merge it, up to you. But if you leave it like this, it's easier to see because of the color. Okay, now I want to show you is the bear. You can see, maybe this is easy, you already know how to do. For this one, maybe I want to show you is this. The nose and the mouth is very easy. You just use a scribble to draw it out yourself. So I won't show again. I just show you the difficult part. Okay, let's say I want to create the. Okay, now it's done. Again, height set to 3. Have we adjusted the height yet? If we have not, then we have to check what is the height of this. Okay, doesn't matter. Click back here. Um, okay, definitely not high enough. So what you can do is you either leave it up or you increase the height. So align nicely. Can go thinner. Okay. If you think this is okay, okay, it has to be the same height as the body. Okay. So what this is done. Part one is done, and then for the part two, you can grab to a hint, because you need to draw the something like a V shape, for the okay, something like this. Click done. Okay, and again lower down this one. Height not so important because we are going to manually adjust the height. Press F again, down, pull it back, bring it up here, and this is almost done. I just need to reduce the height of this. Okay. Ooh, okay. So once you merge, this is the, you see the scarf of the bear. Okay? This is very nice. And what you need to do next is you refer back to the picture in here. Um, do you want to create this snowflake? If you don't want, you can follow the rest of the design. Then you can think of what you want to put in the center, or you can put a simple one, just some button. And of course, you need to think of find a place to put your name. For the snowman, it's very simple. Okay, it's very simple, so I will show again. So I think until now everything has. If you have any question, please ask me during the lesson. Okay, thank you.